So every day at 1 p.m. a post is posted on all my social media platforms, and all of my friends are so confused like how I am so consistent with the social media posting. So do you think that I am doing this manually every day? No, that's not humanly possible to be so consistent. I have simply created an amazing automation which handles the social media posting for me. And in this video I'll show you how you can also create an amazing automation to handle the social media posting for you. So over here, the main highlight of today's video is that we are not going to create this automation manually. We are going to use Pabbly Agentic AI to create this automation. So what is this Agentic AI? So unlike the traditional methods, we don't have to create the workflow manually. I do not know any coding or programming skills. I just know how to chat. So I'm just going to chat with this Agentic AI and it is going to build me the automation. Sounds so simple, right? Yes, it is this simple. Let's see how we can create this automation just by chatting with Agentic AI. So let's get started. So to do this, we just have to open our dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so if you are an existing user like me, directly open your dashboard. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. So this means that you can basically try this automation for free because we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Agentic AI. And once you try it and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan using my amazing discount coupon code, which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan. But I'll suggest you first try it. If you find it helpful, then you can move on further and purchase the amazing subscription plan using the discount coupon code. Alright, so now let's see how to build this automation. For that, we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and we have to click on this create workflow button. We have three options, so we have to choose this create using AI option and it is going to take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Agentic AI. So once we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Agentic AI, you're going to see I've already created this amazing automation which is posted daily on social media and it is scheduled for every day. As you can see, it is going to run next tomorrow at 13, which is 1 p.m. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how you can also create this automation. For that, you have to click on this create workflow button. It is asking for the workflow name, so I'm just going to name this workflow as social media posting. So let me enter social media posting over here and let's move on further. Select the folder right over here and then click on this create button. Once we click on this create button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. First of all, I'll just let you know over here are CUs, which is compute units. You're going to get them for free, which is you can try Pabbly Agentic AI for free too. Okay, so it is saying welcome to Agentic AI, built powerful AI automation workflows in minutes, no coding required. Simply describe what you want and I'll create the steps for you. So what I want is I want to post daily on my social media platform. So first I'm just going to start with Facebook over here. So I'm just going to type post daily on Facebook and I'm just going to let them know the time, which is 1 p.m. I'm just going to send this message, which is post daily on Facebook 1 p.m. It is saying processing, so let's just wait. It is saying great idea and asking me some questions. What should the post be about? Do you have a Facebook page? What kind of content? So yes, I have a Facebook page named Desi Drape and I want to post fashion tips. So I'm just going to type the same. I have Facebook page named Desi Drape. I want to post fashion tips. So I'm just going to type I want to post fashion tips and I'm just going to send it right over here. And after I send this message, it is going to take few seconds and reply me over here. It is saying analyzing, so let's just wait for few seconds and you're going to see it has given me the reply. It says over here, perfect, here's what I have built. Generate fashion tip. AI generates a fashion tip for you for the page name and post it on the Facebook page schedule every day at 1 p.m. IST, which is Indian Standard Time. To post on your Facebook page, I'll need Facebook page access token, a long-lived token with page publish actions permissions. So it is asking me for certain access token, but I don't know from where I'm just going to get this access token. So I'm just going to simply type, how can I get this? Because I don't know anything, I am just new to this, so I'll just ask each and every step to this agentic AI only, and it is going to reply me. Also, you're going to see that it has given me these steps, but I want detailed steps, so now it has given me the detailed steps. So let's just follow these steps one by one. It is saying you have to create a Facebook app first. Okay, so in order to create an app, go on the developers.facebook.com. So let's just click on this link right over here, and it is going to open this window. Okay, after this it is saying click on my apps and then click on create app. So let's just go towards this my apps, and we're just going to create a new app. So after we come on this my apps, we have to click on this create app button as mentioned right over here. Then we have to go on this other and then click next, select the business, click next, and then enter the app name. Okay, it is also suggesting the app name over here. Okay, so what we have to do is we just have to enter the app name. So I'm just going to keep it as social media posting. Okay, over here is the contact email, so I'm just going to click on this next button over here, and it is asking for the use cases. So I don't know how and which use cases I should select, so I'm just going to copy this add use cases and type what use cases I should add. So I'm just going to simply ask this agentic AI all the doubts and questions I have, because I don't know anything. What use cases I have to add while creating an app. Okay, so let's just ask this question over here, and it is going to reply me within seconds, and you're going to see over here it is generating the reply. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds, and it is saying select this use case other, and then on the next screen select the business. So let's just go back, and over here we have to select the use case as other, and we have to give permissions for all of this. Okay, so first of all you're going to see in other we have 5 use cases. So let's just ask again. Over here I'm just going to share the screenshot. So in other we have this 5 use cases, so I'm just going to share the screenshot. In others I have 5 use case, which should I select? And I'm just going to send this message, and you're going to see it is going to reply me further right over here. If you don't like chatting, you can download an app using which you can just dictate and the text will be typed. So you can just talk to this AI agent and generate your workflows. So let's just wait for a few seconds till it is replying me over here. I've also shared the screenshot as you can see. So it is summarizing the attachment, because over here in the app I just want to know which use cases I should select. So let's just wait till it is replying me. So now it is replying. I can see the screen. None of the others options are ideal for posting on Facebook page. So why this option? So this use case is we need for API posting. It is saying that I should look for content management. Okay, so it is saying click the previous button on the filter, click content management, which is 5th one. Okay, so as you can see this was the content management. So I clicked on this, and now it is saying select manage and publish your pages, post, stories and more. So let me check, and I don't have anything like this over here. Maybe this is manage everything on your page, but I'll just confirm it once. So I'm just going to share the screenshot once again and confirm this. Which one? I'm just going to ask which one, and it is going to reply me. So I'm doing this very slowly, and I'm asking each question. If you know some things, then you can definitely select move on further over here, but I want to know this in detail, so I'm just going to share each screenshot and ask in detail. Okay, so let's just wait till it is replying me over here. So over here it is replying that I have to select this manage everything on your page. Okay, so let's just select the same right over here, click on this next button. Now it is saying which business portfolio do you want to connect. So I'm just going to connect the business, click on this next, and once again towards the next, and create this app. So I've successfully created this app now. Okay, so let's just go back, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to ask, I have created the app, I have created the app, now what? So I'm just going to ask this question over here. In the previous step it told me, but I just want to know again, so let's just wait till it is replying me over here. Until then I'm just going to go back to its this developers, and you're going to see this app is created now. Okay, so now it has given me the next step. It is saying go to Graph API Explorer. So where's the link? So let's just select it. In the top right, select your okay page. Okay, so let's just open this, and over here we have to select our page. So this is our page, which is Desi Drape. So I'm just going to select the same, and now we have to select the app. So over here I've created an app named social media. So I'm just going to look for the same, which is social media posting. So I've selected the same app over here, which is social media posting. Now let's just go back, and it is saying add the permissions of page manage post, page read engagement. So let's just go on this permission and add the permission, which is page show list, and it is giving me only 2 permissions. So I'm just going to share the screenshot right over here that it is only giving 2 permissions. So let's just wait till it is replying right over here, because right now we only have 2 permissions to select. So I've selected them both, but the permission it mentioned, which was the pages manage post and pages read engagement, are not there. So let's just wait. So it is saying the problem is the app was created with manage everything on the post, but pages API product hasn't fully set it up. So we have to set this up too. So we have to go back to its the developers, and let's just go, and then we have to select our app which we created, and it is saying then add the product. From the left hand of the side, click on add product. Okay, so let's just go back to its the apps first. From the left hand of the side, first of all let me just select the app over here. My app was social media posting, so I'm just going to open it. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply go on this use cases, and I'm just going to check over here. It is saying loading use cases. I'm just going to go on this customize, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply add the permissions right over here, which is pages manage post and read engagement. Okay, so let me just open this. You can also share the screenshot for this. It is going to let you know the further steps, no need to worry. Okay, let's just do this. So as you can see over here are all the permissions. So I'm just going to add this pages read engagement and pages manage post. These were the 2 permissions which it is saying that we want, and yes, we have successfully added this right over here. As you can see, both of these are added. Now we can move on further. It is just loading, so let's just wait. So as you can see, we have added both of these permissions. Okay, so let's just go back to this Graph API Explorer and refresh it right from here. And after we refresh this and go on this add permissions button, you're going to see yes, we have both of these permissions, so we just have to select it. After that, I'm just going to go back to the AgenticAI. Now it is saying click on the blue button to generate the access token. Alright, so let's just click on this blue button to generate the access token. So after we click on this blue button, which is generate access token, we have to click on this continue, and we have to select the pages right over here. Okay, so I'm just going to select the pages and move on further and click on this save button. I've also selected the businesses and the pages right over here, and it is saying got it connected. And now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go on this user or a page and select the page right over here too. So let's just check the next step. It is saying click on allow and continue. Okay, we have done this, and now it is saying you will see Desi Drape. So select it. Now copy the 2 things, which is the access token and the ID. Okay, so as you can see, the access token is now generated. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm just going to type access token is this, and now I don't know how to get the page ID, so I'm just going to type how can I get page ID. Okay, so let's just wait now. Now it is saying I can see that you have shared the access token in the chat. Let me store it, and now it is saying excellent, found it. Your Desi Drape page details are this. Okay, great news. So as you can see, it has already got my page ID, maybe with the help of the access token which I have provided. Now it is creating my workflow. Over here in the right hand of the side, you can see the steps. Use AI to generate a fresh daily Indian fashion tip and then post it on Facebook. Yes, you're going to see it is creating the automation over here as soon as I gave the access token. So let's just wait, and it is creating the automation. So we have to wait a few seconds. So yes, you can see the workflow is created over here. It is saying workflow summary, generate a fashion tip and post it on Facebook, run every day at 1 p.m. IST, and it is going to run every day. But over here with this fashion tip, I also want to post an image. So I'm just going to type I also want to post an image with this tip. Okay, so I'm just going to send this and it is going to ask me for the further details. So let's just wait. So it is saying great idea to post the image, and over here it is saying if I want to post the AI generated image, I have to provide the OpenAI API key. Okay, so I'm just going to simply provide this OpenAI API key. If you want to learn how you're going to get this key, you can simply ask it. It is going to let you know. I already have my key, so I'm just going to paste it. And after I paste this, I'm just going to send this message, which is my API key. And now let's just wait. It is processing the details. Now you can see on the right hand of the site, it has increased one step: generate the fashion tip, generate the fashion image, and then post on Facebook. Okay, so let's just wait for a few minutes. It is doing all the coding. So it is saying writing the code. So we don't have to do anything. We just have to wait. And now you can see it is saying workflow updated with image generation. So the workflow is updated over here. Now I want to test this workflow. So just click on this test workflow button over here. And you can also type test my workflow and send it. And it is going to test your workflow. So let's just wait for a few minutes again, and it is saying all 3 steps passed and the AI agent is working well. Okay, yes, you're going to see it is saying all 3 steps passed. Your workflow is working successfully. So all right, let's just open. It is saying this is what they have posted. So let me just open my Facebook page and I'm just going to refresh it to check for the new post, and you're going to see yes, a new post is posted. Friday feels calls for a little extra drama, and over here's the image, and also you're going to see this is the same post it mentioned right over here. Not only this, what is going to happen is every day at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run. It is going to generate the fashion tip, the image, and post it on my Facebook page. And like I did this for Facebook, you can do this for Instagram and many other platforms too. You can test your workflow, and yes, you can create this without knowing any programming or coding skills. Apart from this, you also don't have to know anything about the automation too. You just should know how to chat with the AI, and you can simply chat and create this amazing automation. So go and try this yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. And further, if you want the workflow URL of this workflow, you can ask that in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to share you. If you have any doubts, my team will help you. No need to worry. Go and try this Pabbly Agentic AI. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.